Hi everyone, blessed be. I wanted to show you today how to make a protection amulet using a hagstone. So first of all, there's only a couple of objects you're going to need. First of all, you need to find a hagstone. A hagstone is a rock with a natural hole in it that's created by water, natural flowing water. And you also need some black cord. Black is obviously the colour correspondence for protection, and then obviously you need the cord so you can do the knots for the knot magic part of it. And make sure your cord is either long enough to go around your neck or whatever size it is that you need for wherever you're going to hang your amulet. And what you need to do is cleanse the items first and then thread the cord through the hagstones. And after you've thread the cord through the hagstones, then what you need to do is tie 3 knots into the cord. As you tie each knot, say, I am protected. Do that 3 times. So I am protected, tie the knot, I am protected, tie the knot, I am protected, tie the knot. And then what you do is you then, after the tying the 3rd knot, you say, this spell is cast, so mote it be. Or you can say, this is what I manifest, and so it will be. There's different ways you can finish it off. Then what you can do with your protection amulet you've just made is you can either wear it on your person, you could wear it as a necklace, you could wear it as a bracelet, depending on the size of your hagstone, obviously. You could hang it above your front door. You could hang it above your back door. You could hang it in your bedroom. You could place it anywhere that you want, or you could carry it in your pocket or a bag or in a backpack or whatever, whatever you're carrying around, if you want to carry it around. Me personally, I'd probably wear it as like a little necklace, because I find that tends to be the easiest if I want to carry it on my person. Or when I've used hagstones before, I've carried it on the inside pocket on my bag, depending on what I felt like at the time. So yeah, that's how you make a protection amulet using a hagstone. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be, and bye for now. Oh yeah, and if your hagstone breaks, it's said that it's completed its task, or it has saved you from harm, or all of its energy is used up and it's ready to be returned to the earth. Make sure you return it to the earth in a body of water when its job's done, because that's its sort of life cycle, as it were. And if you want to know more about hagstones, I did do a video on hagstones, which will be in my Pagan Ponderings playlist. I'll link it in the video description below. Bye for now.